Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best pink marble is probably one of the most striking and versatile natural stones available, offering a unique blend of elegance and personality that can elevate any space. Its distinctive veining and soft, rosy hues bring a touch of warmth and sophistication, making it a popular choice for homeowners and designers seeking to create a statement piece in their kitchens, bathrooms, or living areas. Whether you're envisioning a luxurious countertop, a captivating backsplash, or a chic flooring design, this exquisite marble promises to add a timeless beauty and a touch of opulence that will be admired for years to come. Number 5. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500G. Introducing the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. It's your go-to solution for tackling tough messes around your home. Effortlessly clean your kitchen surfaces, bathroom tiles, and showers. It cuts through grease and grime with ease. Achieve streak-free shine on your glass and stainless steel appliances. It leaves surfaces looking like new. Don't let stubborn stains win. This powerful paste is designed to remove even the most difficult marks. From ovens to sinks, its multi-purpose formula works wonders. Experience a new level of clean with this essential cleaning paste. What we like. Tackling tough messes is no longer a chore. This powerful paste cuts through grease, grime, and stubborn stains with ease. If you're looking for a versatile cleaner that works on kitchens, bathrooms, and even ovens, this is the one for you. What people say. It has worked wonders in completely cleaning my bathroom tiles and grouts, transforming them from dull and stained to sparkling and pristine. The Pink Stuff's cleaning paste boasts an incredible cleaning action that easily removes stubborn stains and grime from bathroom tiles and grouts. It is not only perfect for bathroom tiles and grouts but also works wonders on other surfaces throughout the house. I've used it on sinks, countertops, stovetops, and even outdoor furniture with equally remarkable results. Number 4. Canvaslife Pink Marble Laptop Shoulder Bag. Introducing the Canvaslife Pink Marble Laptop Bag, designed for both style and protection. Its unique pattern makes you stand out from the crowd. This bag is crafted from high-quality canvas and features a waterproof design. It includes high-rebound bubble padding to safeguard your laptop from drops and shocks. Built with a thick metal zipper and buckle, this bag is strong and durable. It's designed for everyday use and built to last. Each side features a large pocket, perfect for storing your mouse, power adapter, and mobile devices. Keep all your essentials organized and within reach. This spacious bag comfortably fits 14-inch, 15-inch, and 15.6-inch laptops, including the MacBook Pro 15. It's the ideal companion for your tech. Despite its protective features and storage capacity, this laptop bag remains lightweight and easy to carry wherever you go. What we like. Protect your tech in style. This bag offers excellent protection against drops and water damage, all while sporting a unique and eye-catching design. If you want to stand out from the crowd and keep your laptop safe, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It is a deep navy blue with blush and white roses and leaves, with an overall dusty vintage look to it. The inside is the normal soft lining you typically see inside purses, though it feels a bit thicker and more sturdy in my opinion. It's thick and feels very sturdy. It also has not one, not two, but 3 large pockets. That alone is a winner for me. There's the one with the zipper that you see in the image where you can easily store a slim mouse and some pens, pencils, probably your phone as well. Then under that pocket by the handle is an opening, and there's a pocket that extends the entire width of the case. You could easily fit a phone, a tablet, a smaller notebook, writing materials, a calculator, and a slim battery, probably not a large one, though. It does this on both sides, too. The outside is made out of canvas material that's very cute and the inside is lined with cotton that cushions the laptop and accessories. It has plenty of pockets. Enough to store your charger, mouse, and more. Cleaning was a breeze, just wipe down or throw in the washer. The color is beautiful and isn't dull at all. Number 3. PMLAND 370 PCs 16mm Clear Acrylic Stones, Soft Pink. Introducing our beautiful acrylic stones, perfect for adding an elegant touch to any event. These unique pieces are designed to enhance your decorations. You'll receive over 300 pieces, each approximately 16mm in length. Their rare almond shape is a distinctive feature you won't easily find elsewhere. Crafted from high-quality transparent acrylic, these stones boast a rare, irregular almond shape with a nice wavy edge. They are smooth, cute, and romantic. These glittering stones are ideal for a wide range of occasions, including weddings, baby showers, parties, and even home or office decor. Keep your beautiful stones organized and safe with the included quality clear pouch, making storage and transport a breeze. Please note, these items should be kept away from young children to prevent accidental swallowing. Adult supervision is recommended. What we like. Elevate your decorations with a touch of sparkle. These unique almond-shaped stones add an elegant and romantic feel to any event or space. If you're planning a wedding, party, or just want to add some charm to your home decor, these are perfect. What people say. Light pink glass rounds. Good size. Good color. Don't chip or break with normal wear. Great for clear vases. Gave my lamp table more color with the small vase sitting beside it with a spark of color inside. Nice, bright, yellow clear beads. The size is about the size of a thumb now, which is nice, definitely larger than a pea in flat. Number 2. Marble Genius Marble Run Starter Set. Watch the marbles zoom through the transparent track. This set offers endless building possibilities for hours of creative fun, perfect for all ages and skill levels. Get ready for exciting races with 50 included glass marbles. Your kids will love seeing them navigate the twists and turns of the track. Our connectors are designed for stability and ease of use, making it perfect for children. It's challenging enough for adults but simple for kids to build their own racetracks and mazes. Download our free app for step-by-step guidance and fun challenges. Available on iOS and Android, it will help you elevate your marble racing skills. All our products work together seamlessly, offering endless options for building. Create the ultimate marble run, race friends, or challenge yourself with mazes. This STEM toy encourages creativity and problem solving. With 130 pieces, including 80 translucent building pieces, it provides a fantastic learning experience. What we like. Ignite your child's creativity and problem-solving skills. This set provides hours of engaging fun with its transparent pieces, allowing for endless building possibilities. If you're looking for an educational toy that's both fun and challenging for kids aged 4 to 12, this marble run is an excellent option. What people say. The pink marble is absolutely stunning and looks even better in person than online. The quality of the marble is excellent, it feels very substantial and durable. The unique veining patterns on each piece make it a true statement piece for any room. Number 1. Crystal Chips Decorative Pebbles. Introducing our decorative pebbles, crafted from natural crystal. These small, irregularly shaped stones add a touch of natural texture to any setting. Perfect for enhancing your home and garden decor. Use them to fill vases, glass jars, or as a beautiful top layer for your indoor plants. These decorative rocks are also wonderful for aquariums and terrariums. They create a natural and visually appealing environment for your fish or plants. Unleash your creativity with these versatile crystal chips. They are perfect for jewelry design, art projects, and crafting unique wishing bottles. Beyond their decorative appeal, these crystals are believed to offer benefits. Different types are thought to aid in stress relief, focus, and memory enhancement. In addition to their aesthetic and wellness benefits, crystal chips are traditionally associated with good health, financial prosperity, and good fortune. What we like. Bring a touch of natural beauty and positive energy to your space. These natural crystal pebbles are perfect for enhancing vases, fish tanks, and plant pots. If you appreciate natural textures and are looking for decor that might also bring good vibes, these are a great pick. What people say. They are beautiful but quite pricey unless it's a tiny project or pot. I can run my fingers through them. I have not found any sharp edges. The mix of colors is beautiful. Pretty little stones, used for my plants. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.